Do you want to talk with me?
Yes, I want to talk with you.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early in the morning.
Do you brush your teeth every night?
No, I don't brush my teeth at night. I brush in the morning.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yes, I drink milk every day.
Do you cook food?
No, I don't cook food. My mom cooks food.
Do you play in the evening?
Yes, I play in the evening.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't drive a car.
Do you want to play with me?
Yes, I want to play with you.
Okay, let's play together.
Yes, let's go.